Right now, the latest on Karen Reed, back in court for the first time since her murder mistrial. The Massachusetts woman accused of killing her police officer boyfriend is now facing a retrial. Eva Pilgrim tracking the case. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, George. Karen Reed now knows when her next trial will happen. Her defense team trying to get 2 of the 3 charges thrown out before she finds herself back in front of a jury.
Karen Reed surrounded by a crowd in support of and against her, returning to a Massachusetts court to face a judge once again.
All rise to the court, please.
It's been 3 weeks since a jury deadlocked.
I'm declaring a mistrial in this case.
Prosecutors say after a night of drinking, Reed intentionally backed into her police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, with her Lexus SUV outside a party in 2022, leaving him for dead in the snow. Reed's defense attorney is now pushing to throw out 2 of the 3 charges against her, saying they were contacted by several jurors and intermediaries who allege the jury unanimously agreed that Reed was not guilty of second-degree murder or leaving the scene of an accident with injury or death, but were deadlocked on the charge of manslaughter while operating a motor vehicle under the influence.
We're happy with the jurors that have come forward out of good conscience. I think it speaks volumes that nobody has come forward to contradict what they've said.
A hearing about the motion to dismiss those charges is scheduled for August.
A motion to dismiss after there's been a jury verdict or non-verdict is a very high burden because judges typically do not like to change what the jury has already done.
The presiding judge, who is the same one who declared the mistrial, tentatively scheduling a new trial date.
I would like to schedule the jury trial on January 27th.
Outside the courtroom, supporters of the prosecution's case,
Justice for JJ!
Reed continues to deny any wrongdoing, claiming she's the victim of corrupt police trying to cover up what she says was a fight that led to O'Keefe dying at a party with his fellow officers. Reed speaking to our Matt Gutman before the trial.
You're alleging that law enforcement officials in the state committed murder and that they're covering it up. Why would they want to be involved in this?
Because he's dead. I think things went too far. It was late. There was alcohol involved.
And the judge scheduling the trial pretty far out, giving enough time between the hearing and the trial date, anticipating there could be appeals of that decision. Meanwhile, John O'Keefe's family and friends say they will continue to be there every day in the courtroom as they have been throughout the first trial. They don't want him to be forgotten. Robin.
They do not. All right, Eva, thank you.